Let's talk about getting back into exercise after your pregnancy. Hi, I'm Sim. I have been a trainer for 8 years. I am pre and postnatal trained, and I'm 30 weeks pregnant. A really important thing to remember about getting back into exercise after your pregnancy is the postpartum time is a time to be kind to yourself. Your body is still healing, so you want to ease back into extra activity. Each time you work out, it's important to check in with yourself and see how you feel. Ask yourself these questions. Do I feel energized after this workout? Do I feel ready for a nap? Does anything hurt? Do I feel comfortable? There's no pressure to rush back into anything after pregnancy. Don't rush to get your pre-baby body back. Your body's done something truly incredible in creating a whole life force. There's no rush. There should be no pressure to do anything. Take each day as it comes and just see how you feel. Focus on being happy and healthy and moving your body in a way that feels good. You should always nourish your body with the fuel that it needs and be mindful of your post-workout nutrition also. Generally, you should wait until after your 6-week postnatal check before getting back to exercise or taking on anything new. If you exercise before pregnancy, you feel ready to get back to it and it feels good for you, then do so. Some things to be mindful of. Firstly, if you had a cesarean, then your recovery time will be longer. If during your pregnancy you got separation of your abdominal wall, you need to be extra careful when getting back into exercise, especially with abdominal exercises. Thirdly, bear in mind that your lower back and core abdominal muscles will be weaker than they used to be. And finally, your ligaments and joints are more supple for the first few months after birth, so be careful if you stretch or twist so that you don't get injured. You also need to avoid crunches, planks, and oblique work until at least 16 weeks after birth. There are some exercises to focus on: pelvic floor exercises, strengthening your core, swimming, yoga, and light weights. There may be postnatal classes in your area, which is a really good and safe way to get back into exercise and also meet new mums and babies. After my first pregnancy, I didn't have the best experience with a personal trainer, and it made me really passionate about helping new and expectant mums and really highlighted how important it is to make sure that post-pregnancy, you get back to exercise safely and at a time that feels right for you. Absolutely get advice from your midwife or doctor about when it's safe to do so, but don't feel that you have to. Don't compare yourself or your body to anybody, including pre-pregnant you. Your body has done and is doing really amazing things. Trust your body, listen to it, trust the process, and everything else will fall into place. I was actually fitter and stronger after my first pregnancy, and that's because I didn't put too much pressure on myself. I did what felt good. And I actually had a newfound mental strength, which came from bringing a new baby into this world. You've got this, mama.